For a long time, my life wasn't bad. I had a good job, family, friends, everything. Nothing was falling apart, but every day felt the same. I could already feel tomorrow before it happened. Same thoughts, same moods, same outcomes. There'd be days where I'd see something motivational online and try to implement change, but nothing ever lasted any more than a week. And eventually I just stopped trying to change things. And not because I was lazy, but because everything I did didn't feel like it led to anywhere different. And here's what I eventually realized. Repetition isn't the problem. The problem is repeating actions and patterns that you didn't consciously choose. My days were structured, just not by me. And when your life is being shaped by these default subconscious decisions, it nullifies all the effort and makes it feel pointless. So instead of trying to feel more motivated, I built a system. A simple one. It moves me from running on autopilot to being intentional. I call it the intentional day system. It has 3 parts and it changed everything. This is the system I use to move my life from autopilot to intentional. By clarifying who I am, choosing what I repeat, and designing my days accordingly. Autopilot isn't bad, it's efficient. The problem is when you don't know what's running the machine. So every night I would ask myself, what did I repeat today that I wasn't aware of or consciously choosing? Not what I accomplished or what I failed at, but what I repeated without thinking. For me, this looked like I'd grab my phone when I first woke up. I delayed the hard task until later. I'd say I trained, then negotiate with myself at 6 p.m. I had the same shallow conversations with people. I complained about time, then just wasted it. Once I could see these patterns, I realized something uncomfortable. I wasn't stuck. I was just automatic. Tonight, take the first step to actually getting your life back and please write down answers to this question. Once I started seeing what I was repeating, I had to face something. If I keep repeating these behaviors, that's who I'm becoming. Not in theory, but in reality. So the next question you need to ask yourself is, if I lived exactly like this for another year, would I respect the person that it builds? Same body, same discipline, same income, same courage, same excuses. That question wasn't motivating, it was clarifying. Because your identity isn't what you say it is, it's what your actions prove you to be. And most people don't lack ambition, they just lack alignment. It's a really effective exercise to actually write down all the things that will stay the same in your life if you don't make change right now. When it's on paper, it becomes real. You truly become aware of those habits and actions that you no longer want to repeat. And if you want my free document on this process, just send me a message on Instagram at tyburger.co and I can send it to you there. Now it's important with part 3 to not try and overhaul your life and make 15 changes today. So I made one rule. Every day needs one intentional action. Nothing big, nothing impressive. It doesn't even have to be productive. But the action must fit one of these. It must be one uncomfortable conversation, one hard task started early, one distraction removed, one decision made instead of postponed, and followed by immediate action. Just one of those, because when you choose one conscious action today, tomorrow stops feeling the same. And once tomorrow starts to feel different, the effort today starts to feel meaningful again. For me, change didn't come from escaping repetition. It just came from choosing it. Repetition is powerful when it's designed. And once I started designing my days, it stopped feeling like my days were just happening to me. If this made sense to you, try the first step tonight. Ask yourself, what did I repeat today without choosing? Write it down. You do not need more motivation. You just need awareness. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to hit that like button and the subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you.